Now I'd like to show you how to use a very cool client-side feature of Angular for quickly hiding elements or showing them based on some kind of condition. To do that, I am going to wrap our table inside of a div, which is going to be our mechanism for showing and hiding. And I'm going to introduce a new directive called ng-hide. And then I'm going to leave it blank for now. We'll come back in and fill this. Take this div and put it down here. And I'm going to add a header just so that we'll be able to actually see our table. And right now, when we run our application, we'll see that we have column 1. It'll be visible. And just to show that, go ahead and refresh. So right now, there's our column 1. That's what we're going to be showing and hiding. Now on the back end, the way this is going to work is that if we don't have any data into all users, then the table's not going to display. For this case, what we've done here with our code, we're always getting back data, but initially there's not going to be anything there when the page first loads. So I want to do some kind of initialization of all users. So I'll assign it an empty string. And now when I go back over here to ng-hide, I'm going to say all users equal empty string. And if I go ahead and refresh and then run this, we'll see what happens. So you can see we started out with a blank table, and then as data came in, we get our table. So you can see here the table is not there. Find name, table fills in and displays because it meets our condition. There's also ng-show, which basically works in the opposite direction. And if you have some variable that you're using here that is going to be true false, you can just use it without having to explicitly do a condition here. All users was not that type of variable, so I had to explicitly add some kind of condition. But if this was some kind of true false that we were making use of on the back end, I could just do this, and it's going to hide or not hide based on the condition of the element. So that's just a quick way that you can do show and hide of elements. And you can see this is fully client side. So I could have pushed this code, this Angular code on the back end, this here, into a JavaScript file if that's what I wanted to do.